Are you looking for a USB-C power adapter for your iPhone 16e? Watch my complete video to find out which charger is best for you. I have selected some chargers for the iPhone 16e based on their charging speeds from the Amazon online store. To buy any of the chargers, click on the link provided in the video description, or you can check the pinned comment on this video. Number 1 is the Anker 713 USB-C charger. The Anker 713 USB-C charger is an excellent choice for iPhone 16e users seeking a fast, reliable, and compact charger. Featuring 45 watts GaN II technology, it enables super fast charging, allowing your iPhone 16e to reach 50% battery in just 30 minutes when used with a USB-C cable. Its foldable design makes it ideal for travel, while advanced safety features guard against overheating and overcharging. Unlike standard chargers, this Apple-certified adapter guarantees efficient power delivery for long-term battery health. With thousands of positive reviews and a trusted brand reputation, this charger is a worry-free investment for your iPhone 16e. To buy this block, you can check the link in this video description. Number 2 is the UGREEN 35 watts USB-C charger. The UGREEN 35 watts USB-C charger is an excellent choice for iPhone 16e users who want fast, reliable, and hassle-free charging. With its impressive 35 watts power delivery, it can charge your iPhone to 50% in just 30 minutes, much quicker than standard chargers. Plus, the dual-port design lets you charge two devices simultaneously, making it perfect for anyone juggling multiple gadgets. Its compact, foldable design is super convenient for travel. And don't worry, the built-in safety features protect your devices from overheating and overcharging. With UGREEN's reliable quality and thousands of positive reviews, this charger is undoubtedly a wise investment for your iPhone 16e. Number 3 is a Belkin 65 watts dual USB-C wall charger. This is the perfect for iPhone 16e users who need a fast and reliable charging solution. With dual USB-C ports, you can charge two devices at once, your iPhone 16e and another device like an iPad or MacBook. Its GaN technology ensures efficient power delivery, allowing your iPhone 16e to reach 50% battery in just 30 minutes. The compact and travel-friendly design makes it easy to carry, while built-in safety features protect against overheating and overcharging. With Belkin's trusted reputation and thousands of positive reviews, this charger is a worry-free choice for powering your iPhone 16e. Number 4 is Spigen 65 watts USB-C charger. The Spigen 65 watts USB-C charger is a powerful choice for iPhone 16e users seeking fast charging. With GaN technology, it provides superior power in a compact size, charging your iPhone 16e to 50% in 30 minutes. Its dual USB-C ports allow charging multiple devices simultaneously, making it ideal for travel or home. Built-in safety features guard against overheating, overcharging, and short circuits, ensuring battery health. With thousands of positive reviews and Spigen's trusted reputation, this charger ensures fast and safe iPhone 16e charging. So guys, these 4 are the best chargers for your iPhone 16e. You can buy them using the link below. Thank you for shopping.